Hello friends, this is the new Audi RS6 Sedan. The car is currently undergoing road tests, giving us an opportunity to get an idea of what the future model will look like. After a long hiatus of 15 years, Audi has decided to release an RS6 sedan. The new RS6 will be based on the 6th generation Audi A6. Like the base A6 sedan, the top-of-the-line RS6 will be built on the Premium Platform Combustion platform. It is expected to feature a twin-turbo V8 engine with a hybrid powertrain. The total power output will be over 700 HP. The new RS6 is expected to premiere in 2026. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos.